In this video, we are analyzing the coins Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin. So let us directly start with Ethereum. And as you can see on the weekly chart, we are in this very interesting area. At Ethereum, we are seeing this bullish move to the upside. And we are also seeing this bullish structure with higher highs and higher lows all the way. And now the question is if we are breaking this last supply zone to the upside and we continue this bullish structure, or if we see a retracement from the supply zone to lower levels. And as we go on the hourly time frame, we can see this very interesting things. We have this order block right here, which caused the last highest high. And as we came back to the downside, and as we first came into this order block, we saw this bullish reaction from here. And after we made this lower high right here, we also saw this bearish correction, but we made a higher high right here. We retested this order block and then saw this move to the upside. And in my new free Telegram group, I made an update post on Ethereum and I said if we are breaking this last high at $2006 to the upside with a body close, then the chances high that we see higher levels. And I also show you the post here in my free Telegram group where I said if we are breaking the last 1 hourly high at $2006, then I expect higher prices for Ethereum. And later I made an update post after we broke this last high to the upside and the price increased from the breakout 3.8% without the leverage. So congrats to everybody who catch the trade here. And if you don't want to miss the next updates on Ethereum or other altcoins, I share daily updates on the crypto market and other financial markets in my Telegram group, then feel free to click on the first link at the video description and join my free Telegram group. And here, as you can see, after we broke this last 1 hourly high to the upside, we saw this bullish explosion and we also made a higher high and saw the break of structure on the 4 hourly. So this is a very bullish sign for Ethereum. And right now I'm also very bullish on Ethereum. Right now I think the chances high that we see higher prices from here because, as I said, we saw this break of structure to the upside. On the higher time frame we are also in a bullish structure, and over this last highs right here we also have much liquidity, so the chances high that we go to the upside and take the liquidity from here. Of course there's also the chance that we go to the downside and see a retracement for Ethereum, but I think the chances higher that we see a move to the upside to a new high. And now we are coming to Cardano. As you can see, we are on a weekly chart right now and we saw this breakout out of this supply zone right here, but right now we are also seeing this liquidity grabs and big wicks over this highs, so there is a chance that we see a retracement to the downside. But right now this daily range will decide if we are going to the upside. So if we are going to the upside and continue this bullish structure and we see a body close over this last highs, then I think the chances high that we see an explosion for Cardano and see even higher prices. But if we are coming to the downside and see a daily body close under this last low, then I think the chances high that we see even lower levels. And then the next support area is this order block. And if we are coming to this order block and see a bullish reaction, then I would search for long positions to go to the upside again. Because on midterm I'm bullish on Cardano, but if we are breaking this order block with bearish momentum to the downside, then I think the chances high that we see lower prices. But as long as we don't break this order block to the downside, then I think the chances high that we can see higher prices and continue our bullish structure. But as I said, for me the range will decide if we are going to the upside or see the breakout to the downside. And at last we have a look at Bitcoin, and we are on the 4 hourly chart right now. And the last time we saw this bullish structure to the upside, but right now we are seeing this range with this supply zone right here where we always see a bearish reaction, and this demand zone right here where we always see a bullish reaction. So as you can see in the last moves, we made a lower high right here, so we hadn't enough bullish power from this demand zone to go to the upside. But as we saw the retracement, we made a higher high right here, which is a bullish sign. But again, from this demand zone we don't saw this clear break of structure to the upside. We just saw this wick right here, and we are seeing much rejection right here in this zone. So now it's very important that we are breaking this zone to the upside, and in the best case we see a bullish momentum over this last highs. And if we are seeing them, then I think the chance is extremely high that we see an explosion for Bitcoin. But if we are don't seeing bullish momentum right here, then I also think the chances high that we can see a retracement, and then it depends that we are don't breaking this last low right here or this demand zone. So again, at Bitcoin it will also depend if we are breaking this range to the upside, then I think the chances high that we see higher prices, and if we are breaking breaking this range to the downside, then I think the chances high that we see even lower prices again. But right now I'm quite bullish because we have much liquidity over this highs right here, and liquidity is also a magnet for the markets. So I think the chances high that we will see an explosion to the upside, that we will break the last highs, and then it will depend if we are breaking this last high with bullish momentum or if we just see a liquidity grab right here with a wick. So this was it for this video. In this video I made a price prediction for 3 cryptocurrencies, so comment down below if you like this type of video more, and also join my free Telegram group if you don't want to miss updates on cryptocurrencies. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.